putting this hat on. Getting the Stranger Things hat on.
Sprite and Banana Challenge Part 2.
How do I set? I don't know where I should set it up at.
You won't even see me though at all. I don't know how you're gonna. We'd see you
Unless
doing
you
it.
come over this way.
Nah, because I'd rather film me doing
I
it.
guess. I'll just have my own doing it.
Well, I just say that I'm doing it because I'll do it. I'm doing it.
No, I'm not gonna say that I'm doing.
I'm also doing it. I'm doing a lot actually. It might take me a while to eat this many bananas. I'm eating fucking.
Dude, do you already feel sick about it?
Not really, but I mean.
I'm feeling sick about it.
It's just. I'm probably definitely gonna throw up again because this is more bananas and.
How much more is it? 3 more or what?
Yeah.
Damn, you definitely will this time.
Probably be more throw up too. The more bananas, the more throw up.
I don't know. I don't want to get sick, so I'm only gonna start this. Like, I want to see if it.
Just
reacts.
do a whole one.
Like, I want to see if it works.
But it might not work with that many.
Ew, it's mushy.
Not really.
Ew, it doesn't look appetizing already. I'm already throw up not even doing this, and I'm already. I don't want to throw up. I'm already.
It's gonna take me at least like 10 minutes to eat all this.
This banana really tastes bad. They don't even taste that good.
It's gonna take at least 10 minutes. Probably more than 10 actually.
Snoopy was looking at the window.
Just to eat all of it. Then I gotta drink that shit. But you have to eat all of it first and then drink it because
That's true.
it still works. That actually that's how it works better, I think. Or if I post it on YouTube, you could send the link to my video
Oh, I thought you already ate 3 of
to
them
that
so
kid.
far.
What if you sent the link to that kid?
I could.
Bro, some banana got in my fucking short somehow. I don't get it. I don't get how that happens. I mean, it could happen, I guess, but when I'm about to throw up, I gotta make sure I do it on camera too. 'Cause
Okay, that one's done.
I just hate Camden though. He's always doing stupid shit.
Yeah, why does he care? I'm like we're not even dating.
And then people are all, at this point, people are always like, "You're dating." Tap it, bro. Shut up.
Like, I'm not even dating you.
How is that always the case?
Oh my gosh, am I already having the reaction of it? I don't. Bro, what is that called?
There's no way you're reacting already.
I only ate one, and I'm like.
I said bad actually. Does it feel?
I can't tell. I was feeling.
We'll
sick.
drink a lot more of that.
I was feeling sick of the pepperoni, anyways.
Maybe if you feel sick, it makes it work better
Because
too.
someone smelled really bad. Someone that put deodorant on.
Oh,
And
I
it
could've-
wasn't. No, it wasn't you. It was someone like below us. Like.
I mean, it's really bad if you smell it like
it was
close
the
up.
10th graders because we were.
At this point, 10th graders are.
Because we were sitting in the wrong section. It was someone who was in 10th grade.
At this point, we almost had to sit in the wrong section though because there was
There
no.
was no room in the junior section, so we couldn't even sit there. It's like,
Plus, they would have probably been actually worse. I mean, the 10th graders were still kind of crap, but
they were taking pictures of you. I seen it happen.
whatever. I don't give a fucking hell because if they're. That's. I don't know.
Honestly, people are gonna do whatever they want. Like,
I know.
they're gonna take pictures all they want. Like,
It's not even roastable, and well, even if it is, I don't give a shit.
I don't care. Like, I know I look weird. Like, I
I know.
choose that for myself. I want to look weird. Like,
I know, it's a freaking more of a W to be like fucking Rob Zombie than fucking.
Did you know that some kid at school was like, "You're queer because you have a septum piercing" to me, and I was like, "Okay, why would it matter if I'm queer? Like, yeah, who cares? And second off, who cares if I have a septum piercing? A lot. Of
But that
people
doesn't
have it.
always mean that you're queer.
Yeah, exactly. That doesn't always mean that. Like, who cares?
But technically, women are already a little bit more queer, and it's not even rude to say.
No, it's not.
Because they're a little. You can't lie. They're a little bit more queer than men, at least a little bit. Because even if you're dating a guy, it kind of still is.
And the kid was like, if you fall asleep, I'm gonna put a battery up to your piercing, and I'm like, stupid dog.
Just having a threat at this
And
point.
I'm like, and I had Miss Rubel called me down because Miss Eckerd told on him for saying that. So I had to go talk to Miss Rubel about it, and I was like, yeah, this is what he was saying to me and like this other girl by saying he's gonna, put a battery up to our, nose.
What would that
and shit.
do, really?
Nothing. It wouldn't do anything about it. It wouldn't do anything.
I feel like it wouldn't.
It's literally like the piercing.
If it was like a... The only thing that would do something is if it was like a taser type thing.
Hold on. I'll even show it on here. Like the piercing, this, like, it's real. Like you can see it's real. I'm pulling at it, it's not coming out, it's not magnetic. But, like...
If anything, it's less weird to have a real one than a fake.
Like if you put...
Because
an
the fact that you're
actual,
like willing to do it.
magnet up to it. Do you have a magnet out here? Because I can show that nothing's going to happen to my piercing if I put a magnet to it. Where is the... You don't have one out
Well, there'd be some in my fridge, I bet you.
Like, nothing's going to happen because it's, like, not even, like, completely, like, magnetic. It's just a piercing.
1, 2. I already ate 3. Well, almost 3.
It's just...
There it is.
And also, I wouldn't understand how a piercing can get, like, affected by that because... All it is like they put a needle.
Also, if you're watching this video, I should have said it already, but you probably should play it in 2x, like 2 times the speed. I always watch it like that anyways, every video I watch. But it's if you do it in 2x, say the video is almost an hour, it'd be 30 minutes.
Mom, that's not. No one thinks it's fake. It's a skeleton one. No one thinks it's fake. They don't make ones that are fake like this. But no.
Technically, you could show me like throwing up if you like face it that way.
No, but some kid in school said he was gonna put a battery up to the like.
Is your mom actually watching it?
Yeah. Some kid in school said they were gonna put like a battery up to our nose if we fell asleep in English class because that's gonna, harm you or something like that. So that's why I had to go talk to the principal about it, like Mrs. Rubel.
Even if it did nothing, it's still almost a threat, though.
Because she called me down. Because Miss Eckerd told on him for saying weird stuff to us because he was talking about really inappropriate stuff. So I'm not gonna say it because
I could have streamed this on Twitch, but nah, because I could. Well, it's whatever. Because if I do one of my streams that are like mobile, I could just.
No, but he was.
I could just stream it on my YouTube channel.
He was saying like inappropriate stuff, and I'm not gonna talk about it on here. But he was saying weird stuff.
For later, like at maybe 12 or something like that, I'm about to roast people in VR. I usually do that. The Goose Day shit's better, plus they have a drone thing.
Yeah, I want to go to the Goose Day thing instead of the football game. Plus,
and it just seems better.
Plus, I'm not even going to the dance tomorrow because I'm not going this year because, the person who I thought was going to ask me...
I thought you said prom, though.
My mom said, get on with the challenge. I did! I already ate the banana and I'm drinking the Sprite.
Well, it's taking me a while to eat all of it because I'm eating 8 bananas.
Yeah, Sam's eating 8 bananas over here.
And this.
And he's gonna drink this whole thing right here, so he's gonna throw up.
I definitely will.
I don't know.
No, I know I will because I know it works.
Wait, Gavin has Instagram? Did he just make an account just to get on here? Gavin requested to be on the live stream.
Bruh. I mean, you could do it.
Instagram account.
You could just accept it at this point. You could.
He's in my mom's office. I don't know. Yeah, no, I'm not requesting to join. My mom said no about it.
True. It wouldn't be the worst thing ever.
Okay, I don't feel sick so far.
I feel almost sick and I'm just eating bananas.
I feel sick. Okay, I'm gonna hope that I don't get sick.
I ate like 4 so far. This is my 5th one, bro.
Hope I don't get sick.
I think 8's enough. I could technically maybe do 10, but 8's...
No, that's too much.
8's almost 10. Like 2 away.
No, but speaking of that kid, he was just saying weird stuff, and Miss Rubel called me down to talk about it, and was like, she said that it might.
Wait, hold on.
She said it might make me, if it makes me uncomfortable.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What number? You're on your 5th one.
Hold on, I think I got too many. No, because
you
look.
didn't.
Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, that's not 5. I think that banana peel was from another one, was it?
Actually, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it is 8.
Oh, yeah, I was about to say.
No, I think I counted 1 extra because I thought it was like this one. That's a different.
Yeah. See, I think 1 banana and 1 cup of Sprite is not gonna do anything because I don't feel sick.
If you eat 8 though, and
I don't feel like I'm gonna puke. So
no, but if you eat 8 bananas and 2 liters of Sprite, it should work.
So maybe I should have ate maybe 3 or 4 would have done it. But those are yours, so you gotta do it. I mean, I wasn't good. Didn't want to throw up.
You didn't feel like doing the
Yeah,
challenge
I didn't
anyway.
feel like throwing up in general because we're going away tonight. But I'm like, and plus we have that movie tomorrow, so I don't want to feel sick for the movie because we're seeing Saw.
Well, the day after, I didn't feel horrible though.
You didn't?
It was just like mostly the day of it.
So the challenge will definitely work for you. So once you're done, I'll put the live stream on to you because I don't know. I don't think anyone wants to see you throw up though. So I'm.
I mean, you could show it, but I don't know.
I don't think anybody wants to see you throw up. I don't even want to see.
I mean, YouTube would if they seen it.
I don't even want to see you throw up, but I'm just gonna watch it because
Well, you should still see it.
I'm here at your house.
You should still see it though, because it's interesting.
I don't like watching people.
Imagine I do it loud and they hear it on the stream. They could probably hear it, but not see it.
On the call, one time you did it, and I was like, I felt sick because I was at work when you did it. I felt sick.
What, when I was doing that challenge?
Yeah, I felt sick. I was at work, and I was like,
Bro, after 5, I'm almost feel like being done, but I gotta eat 3 more. Damn.
you want me to take another one?
I guess 7's enough.
Okay, y'all. This actually might be it. I might actually. This one's rotten, bro. What the hell?
You can get another.
You can eat this one.
I don't care if it's rotten. Do you need more Sprite?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna. How much? A half the cup or more? All of it? I don't want.
Just a little bit more, not a lot.
half.
Because I'm like rotten.
I feel like that might be enough. That might be enough. You might throw up like the slightest bit. It probably wouldn't be much though. If you did. Okay, I'm actually eating 7 instead, but I don't feel it.
Still.
That's still a lot. That's still 2 more than last time. And last time
I
yeah,
don't like bananas. I'm just gonna be honest. I hate bananas.
they're all right, but if you eat so many, it just gets worse. If you
I like strawberries better. No way.
see, yeah, it looks like
Oh,
that kind of looks wrong, but I don't care. It's not. That's banana shit, I think.
it does. I think I'm starting to feel sick already.
I feel sick almost
Oh my goodness.
for just eating the bananas, right?
Bro, I have the weakest freaking because honestly, the weakest I don't know. Because even though I'm like, I haven't been able to eat a lot.
Oh my god.
About getting sick.
I almost feel like throwing up just for eating the banana.
After getting back from Florida, I've been feeling sick with just eating one bite of something. Like I don't know.
Bro, I just got 1 more left. 7, I feel like that's good enough. CG5 in a video said he ate 50. That's cap.
In one sitting,
Yeah, there's no way you can eat 50 fucking bananas in a sitting. I don't care who you are.
he'd probably die.
I know.
Wait, when does
He probably-
say?
I feel like he lied. It didn't even film him eating it either. He probably just ate like 5. And then the rest of the bananas, he made like his whole crew eat them.
I know.
I bet that's what he did. CG5 ate 50, more like 5. Fuck you. There's no way you can eat 50 bananas in a row. That's so fucking cap. Didn't you see the one video that said it before? If I remember it, I'm gonna look up CG5 eating bananas shorts, because there's a short too, so it'll probably show up.
My hair looks really green.
The video might be like a little bit shorter than the last one actually. Unless, I don't know. It depends, I guess.
This is really the sus reaction.
What?
Imagine you throw up just from drinking it.
I was gonna do 8, but I feel like 7's enough, because I can barely do 7. I can barely do 6, honestly. It's already pretty bad, and I didn't even start eating the Sprite, or drinking the Sprite yet. It's probably gonna take me at least 2 or 3 more minutes to finish it. Probably 2, I guess.
Oh my goodness.
It's already throwable. After I make the video, if I publish it, would you send it to that guy?
I could.
You could send it to people in general, you could, and then say throw up warning. Hey, at least if you're giving a warning, they know what they're getting into it, though. It's not too rotten. A little bit is, but at this point, the part that's rotten. Look, that brown looks like poop. Rotten ball sack. Light slate.
plus flexing a Horror Nights bag that I got at Horror Nights.
Wait, this is how
And
much. Well, I have this.
flexing
That left.
this because I got this at Horror Nights also.
1, 2 for real. Well, you've seen it in the video too. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's 7. So 7. Eating 7 bananas looks like that's kind of a lot, bro. It's almost a bunch, bro.
Is it showing you?
Yeah, that's so many, bro. Eating that many, for real though. It only took, and it's the video is almost 16 minutes in. So eating 7 bananas under 20 minutes, that's not bad. It's not great, but
I'm taking this hat
it's like a
off.
banana every 2 minutes almost.
Is Snoopy out the window? Feels bad.
The video's gonna at least be half an hour. I bet.
I've been lying.
Is that September song playing? I don't know. This kind of sounds like it. No, I don't think it is actually, but
No,
it sounds.
it's not.
It sounded much like it though. That music, like the background music, at least sounds like it though. I hope that one kid can go. Imagine we seen people we hate there.
Hey, we can also go to that movie and roast it.
Nah. Well, we could. Well, I don't know. It'd have to be a later showing.
Hold on,
Is
should I
there a
ask-
showing for like 10? Because it'd have to be almost 10. What's the latest showings?
I'll ask him.
What?
I'll ask him.
I thought what?
The movie.
Well, it would have to be a later showing though, because isn't the light show around like? Wait, when does it end even?
I don't know.
Didn't they say it ends at like 8 or something? Or 9? Forget. This is like one of the last, basically the last bite I guess. It took almost 18 minutes to eat like 7 bananas. It's not the worst. Under 20. Are you still streaming?
No. I'm gonna say roast the bull.
Got the
movies.
I got the Pantera merch, bro.
I said also if you want, we could all go to the movies because it's close. I'm
Pantera?
But they have some roast.
Fucking merch with goddamn skull on there. Plus, they said, oh, whiteout. Well, I have white on it, but it's mostly black though, so it's less racist. At this point. Plus, metal's a W anyways at this point. Look, I'm actually gonna start drinking this shit.
I sent him the message about it.
Technically, it's not Sprite Banana Challenge, it's 7-Up and Banana Challenge. But,
Same fucking thing though.
it's kind of the same. But isn't 7-Up almost the same?
Yes.
I almost feel sick already. Damn. I'm gonna drink a lot more though, because I'm gonna try to. If I drink this whole thing, I should puke. And if I somehow don't, I might try to fucking force myself to puke, bro. One time I ate like soap, or I drank soap and it made me puke almost, I think. That's so random to say, but like, if you drink soap, it probably will make you puke almost. Don't
When
you
did
think?
you drink it?
A couple years ago, I think. I ate like soggy cake with like, or soggy bread with soap. I don't know. That's all I remember, really. I think I did throw up because it was that gross. Both thing. It's like it's hard to drink this shit. I mean, it's gonna take a bit, bro. I'm definitely gonna throw. I'm gonna get more ice though first. Ice spice. Ice spice. It's about. I'm probably gonna throw up in like 10 minutes. I bet you. Maybe shorter than that. little bit. It's probably going to be throw-upable soon. I don't think it matters how long it takes for you to drink the shit. I think as long as you eat the bananas and drink the shit, makes you puke. I think the ice already melted. Like the original ice. Original Ice Spice. For a kid at school, literally looks like Ice Spice, bro. For real. I think that's enough ice. Remember Painted as a Baron? Baron actually is a word though, so that's why he said it. I think you know.
Yeah.
It's hard to drink a lot of this at once because it's like so fizzy as hell.
There's a place called David Barron Law Office that's really close to here. It's a 10-minute drive from here.
I have to finish this entire thing. There's a chance I might throw up before I finish it though. It's probably going to be brewing soon. If 7-Up doesn't work, that's gay because Sprite did work. It's similar though, it really is similar, I think. Isn't 7-Up similar? What if, imagine it was made by the same company? I doubt it actually. It might be a spin-off. Don't you think it's a spin-off version though? I think it is a spin-off, I don't know. Because it also has that like lime lemon shit or whatever. That's what Sprite has too. I think it is working a little bit because it's like it might be working. I didn't finish this thing yet though, so it should honestly work though, because if it don't, it's gonna be kind of stupid. I could try to. I almost might force myself to throw up if I like try to, because I think I feel full, and I think that's why I might throw up. Because if you feel full, that's like that means I think it's working or something like that. It's hard to drink a lot of that at once. It's just too fizzy as hell. I drank almost half of it yet. I'm really trying to drink at it. I always do. 2 years of 2 years of weight training. Actually, I think I might have done it for 3 years almost, but I did it for like a year. Then that one stupid sent away shit, but whatever. And then after that, I started going to the Y again, so that's the 2 years in a row.
Did they not let you work out at that place? No.
Not really. Kinda wish. I mean, it's whatever though, because I'm still doing good though. Because I can still bench a pretty good amount though, for real. Not even lying at all. Plus, I'm obviously not lying, because if people even seen it, I could literally show them. If they went. Like, if people went to the Y, they'd literally see it. And you can tell it's a lot of weight, because they're like bigger dumbbells rather than the smaller ones. Imagine this doesn't work and it has to be Sprite. That means it's my parents' fault at that point. I mean, so far it might work. There's nothing new. Oh my god, I get it. Well, I didn't even finish it yet either, so that might be it.
Hi guys, I'm disabled.
He looks like Elvis, bro. I don't get why he looks like Elvis. I actually feel full. I think it's working, actually. Because the fact that I even feel full, though.
If you laugh about it, it might hurt.
Oh my god. If I do that one forbidden technique too.
What about this?
The forbidden gag technique. Bro, I think it actually... I feel like it's actually really working. Bro, country step and play it loud as you can.
I'm gonna replay it. I'm gonna replay it and then have you dance on it.
No, I gotta finish the challenge first at least. Because I still got like almost half of this. Just play it. I'm the legendary Black Virgin. It's not a metal song, but you can still do this. It's working. What's this? Doesn't it say take a dizzy into one part? It sounds like it does.
I'm getting a video of Sprite.
But
Hey,
I don't even know if I can finish this. I actually might throw it before I even finish it, honestly. It's getting worse. Yeah, I think 7-Up really does work. Oh my god. It's actually getting there. I think it really is. Oh my goodness. I mean, 7 bananas is a lot, so... Not surprising if it really works. Oh my god, like, if you just, like, eat 7 bananas and drink, like, this much... Either 7... Well, I guess 7-Up or Sprite is similar. Oh my goodness. It's actually getting... Bro, actually... Bro, it's actually getting there, bro. I think it really is. I didn't even finish this yet either. It's almost done. I mean, I don't know. Well, I don't know how to show it really. Well, if it gets like below this part, you can easily see it. But it's almost there. Actually, you can see it there. It's that dark line right there. You can see it right there. It's definitely most of the way down. I gave you some, but I probably only gave you like that much.
yeah.
That's not that much of it. Like, basically this top really part, I guess. It definitely is getting worse, though, by the second.
If you buy a corn pallet, you have a chance to get corn tickets for free to any of their concerts.
You should do it.
I'm doing it. I'm buying their pallet right now.
What does it mean? Can you bring somebody like a +1?
Yeah.
Is it actually let you?
Yeah, I'm getting their makeup palette right now.
No, but does it actually let you go with somebody?
Yeah.
I almost have to crap too.
I'm buying the corn makeup.
I mean, I could after. I'll just shit after the challenge, really, because I kind of do. If this somehow doesn't work, I think it will. I'm gonna try to make it work. But if it somehow don't, I'll be kind of pissed. I'm tasting banana, so I think it is getting ready to... Almost ready to fucking throw up, man. Technically, if this doesn't work, I could try to drink a lot of water. Because the water could still make it maybe work, because it kind of adds on to the Sprite. And if it's mixed with Sprite, it basically makes it Sprite. So, I don't know if that'd work. It might.
I don't care that I'm wasting money. It's wasting money when you can win corn tickets.
Plus their makeup's a W. It's not even wasting money either, because you're getting a thing. You might not get it, though. There's a chance, but I doubt it, you know.
No, everyone can get it, I think.
Over buying their makeup. Everybody can actually do it. Go to a concert over that. That's crazy if everybody actually could over that. If they priced it decently expensive, then that would make sense why you're allowed.
But no, the pallet's only $22 plus shipping makes it $30. That's actually cheap. And the pallet's always been that price, so I'm actually like so surprised that I can get this. Like
It should be working soon, though. I think it will. It really should, though, because I ate the last time it really worked. Yeah, last time it really worked, and I literally ate 5 bananas, and that's like 2 less than now. So, literally last time I literally did less bananas. So, this is about this almost the amount I did. That's right. There definitely is something there, though, because I feel full. The fact that I feel full, I think, makes it also seem like I gotta puke. Plus, even if I don't throw up, it makes you at least have to shit, though. Because it kind of feels like it. I should throw up, though. I'm almost gonna force myself if I don't, because I kind of have to. That was a lot there. I think it's coming over.
Letting me buy it. Wait, I just bought it. I just bought it.
How did you just? It's like you just said. It's not letting you buy it, then you bought it. You what? Do you mean like this website barely was that?
Yeah.
I could try to chug this rest, but that's still a good bit. Like that rest. Oh my god, it's definitely getting worse.
No way! If it comes to 4 or 2 weeks, I can have it for the side extra concert. I can use that.
And that thing that was like highway to the danger zone.
Yeah.
I was like highway to my butthole. It's technically not gay, cause it's a fucking joke. You could be like, oh, it's gay. It's not how, bruh. It's a fucking joke. You fucking idiot. Fucking retarded bitch. It's better than fucking twerking on Satan, bro. Some people do it. At this point, Sam Smith doing it. Fuck him. Fuck him, bro. I don't know if I could chug it. I mean, I should try, though, because I might actually throw up if I do. Yep, oh my god. It's definitely gonna happen, bro. It's definitely gonna happen.
This will make it
Oh my god, it's gonna... It might...
I'm not looking. Let this house do it.
Harry Potter's gonna make me throw up. I actually might throw up over Harry Potter.
Harry Potter's bitch ass. Look what die.
Bro. It's bad. Wait, can I zoom?
Can you zoom in on Harry Potter?
Bro, I can't even zoom in. Well, whatever, you could still see it, though. Oh my god, it's there. 7 Up. Bro, I got a shit, too. You made me poop. More like, oh, it's there. I'm gonna try to, if I chug this rest, I definitely will throw up. It's there, bro. It is, nah. I might. It's there. Yep, you're gonna see it, bro.
I'm not seeing it. I'm not looking.
Oh, the video might. Oh, it's there. It's really there. Oh, shit. Oh my god, it's there. Yeah, 7 is worse. It definitely is. Oh my god, it's there. I'm actually about to, I think. Bro, I might. Oh, about to, bro, for real. It's probably gonna be a lot too. Oh my god. It's bad.
Oh, shit.
There it was, boy.
Oh, shit. Ew, ew. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
That boy ain't right. Damn it, Bobby. You made me throw up.
Oh, shit. I kind of feel like it also, I think. Oh, fuck.
Damn it, Bobby, you made me throw up because you look like a fat ass bitch. Harry Potter also did it too.
No, don't drink anymore. You're gonna get even more sick.
That's the point. The map. I might throw up again, bro. Oh, I might actually. It's still there, bro. Oh.
I'm not.
It's still there.
It's pretty bad. It's pretty fucking bad.
I might actually puke again, bro. I mean, I already did, but I mean, shit. Oh my lord. Oh shit. Ugh. I told you though. It ain't fake, boy. I might actually again, bro. I might again, bro. It's there, dude. I might actually throw up again, bro. Oh my god, it's there. It's there. It's literally almost there, bro.
I'm covered my fucking ears.
I almost threw up there. Damn. Okay. It's there, definitely. Ugh. Well, do not try this at home unless you want to puke. But if you want to puke, I guess try it at home. Just do it. Just puke in your damn yard, I guess. It was almost there at first.
Are you okay now?
I don't know. It still might. There's not much left left. I had to finish that bottle. It's part of the challenge. Finishing that might make me puke over that. I don't know if I will again. I might not. It almost felt like I did at first, though. Should I try the forbidden technique?
I don't know if you should or not.
I'll try it at least a couple times. Because imagine it works. Because if I puke twice, I mean, that would be pretty good, nice for the video. It's actually about to be as long as the other video. Imagine throwing up on Goose Day. Wouldn't be me, I'm kidding, it is. Yeah, but it's because I actually tried to throw up, that's the reason. Well, if you ever want to throw up, like, if you actually want to, this works. Just eat fucking 7, 8 bananas, maybe 9 or 10 if you could somehow. 7 works, definitely. Because I just did 7, plus that whole thing of 7-Up. 7-Up also works. Either 7-Up or Sprite works. Because they're similar. They're similar, that's what it is. It doesn't feel like... See, I don't know if I might throw up again, because that is most of the throw up, I think. That was just, bruh. I think, threw up there. There's still definitely a feeling there, though. Hooked on a feeling. No. Bro, Harry Potter actually making me throw up. Ain't it funny almost?
Yeah.
Harry Potter doing it. I don't know if I will again throw up. I could try it, but yeah, if I keep trying the technique, yep, there's more there. Let's get forbidden technique works almost. It's there. It's almost, well, it was like right after I did it. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep trying to throw up at least just one more, you know, because last time I threw up twice. That was a lot. Pretty good bit there. Probably like at least probably almost a pound to throw up at least. Yeah. Probably. I don't know, bro, because I'm gonna keep trying to. It's loud, like when I do it loud, bro. I don't know. Every time I do it, it gets there too. It like gets more there, but it definitely makes you have to shit a lot too. Because when I did it last time, it kind of did too. So it definitely makes you shit a lot too, and pee, because obviously if you drink so much, you're gonna have to piss because of drinking that much.
You done now?
I'm trying to throw up again, but I don't know. If it doesn't happen, I'll just be like, after I throw up once, it don't happen again, but... Or I could cut it, technically. Just cut the ending out. Unless I throw up again, but I'm trying to, you know. I feel like if I chug water, it might help. I'm gonna try it. Like, if I chug water, and then... I might try chugging water, like, quick. Because that could help, and if it don't, I'm gonna actually try it again, like... Because... Throwing up twice, I mean, why, if you do it once, you might as well. If you can. I'm gonna just try it. I could. I don't know. Because the feeling is still kind of there. Yeah, this video might be a little bit longer than the other one at this point. Skibbity dop dop dop, yes yes, skibbity double dip dip. That's literally how it is.
Skiddly toilet.
Yeah.
Are you skiddly toilet? Are you skiddly
Somebody once told me that Skiddly Toilet Man is fucking autistic and he smells like poop. Maybe he smells like shit because it's a fucking toilet. He literally smells like shit because he's a toilet. Yes, it was Play With Jason, it was me. I pooped in the Skibbity toilet. Now stay out of my shack, or I'll kill you. Jeez, that's a threat. That's kind of the point, I'm Jason. That's aimed at him though.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's like the feeling's almost there though. Like I could try to throw up again. I'm not sure if it will happen. But kiss my ass. I'm kidding. Country step into the sound, smack your butt, then turn around. Bro, I'm kidding. I added that part. Then Mario Judah roasted him after it. It's like, we love our beer and we love our wives, motherfucking fucking our cousins all the time. I don't think he says that, but that would be an extra part if anything. Oh my god. I mean, it's still kind of there, you know? I mean, it's not neutralized yet. Because it's still basically there.
I can't believe we actually saw that kid.
Oh my goodness, bro. Some places on Earth, somehow, people can swim topless. I don't know.
What are you doing?
That means they let people... They don't let them be... They don't let them be fully naked, I don't think, but they let them have their tits out. I don't know.
Wait, Jason would love that.
True.
What are you doing?
Actually, a lot of perv people would.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa.
There's also nude beaches anyways.
Oh,
You know it.
You both can't be up
Did
there.
you know there's nude...
Skilly toilet.
Did you know there's nude beaches too?
Yeah. Skilly toilet.
Imagine you went to one.
Skilly toilet.
Would you go to a nude beach?
If Skilly toilet was there.
I might.
No Skilly toilet was there.
Yeah, because I think it'd be interesting, you know.
Skilly toilet. You Skilly toilet.
When I can drive, I could go to one.
You were Skilly toilet. He's getting up here to the Skilly toilet.
See, even if I don't throw up, I think it's gonna come out of my ass.
Look,
Because I'm gonna shit so much.
they're both Skilly toilet.
Bro, what is this trying to, like, both stand on me at once? Yeah, even if you don't throw up twice, it's still... Well, you can throw up at least once, and then you're gonna have to shit a lot, too. So it's like... Because if you shit a lot, it's kind of like you're shitting out your ass. Or throwing up out your ass.
I don't know if he can go because he ain't texting back about it.
I wish. Well, there might be somebody there that's not bad. You know what? I don't know. I'm the legendary black redneck. So that's really what Joel Patrick said, though. I'm gonna try the forbidden technique a couple times. I don't know. I really have to shit, too. Damn, bro. I can try it, though. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm gonna throw up again. I mean, the feeling is kind of there, though, actually. So it's like it's kind of there. Crying about throwing up. My dog's like, I don't like throwing up. Okay, so that's what happens when you look at Harry Potter, you puke. I'm kidding, it's because of challenge, but still. Harry Potter is pukeable though, because nobody cares. I don't know if I'm gonna throw up again. Yeah, I think I might be done. What is this Disney sound and shit? Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna again, but I do have to shit, which I'm not gonna show that because it's kind of too inappropriate, first of all, and second of all, it's just kind of almost worse. So, you know, the last bit of the video kind of was a waste, but you see, I did throw up though, actually once. I didn't exactly. I think the reason, well, I'm going to show the analysis of it just so it's not a waste. But I think the reason I didn't throw up twice is because I'm probably going to shit it out. The feeling kind of is there though for a second puke, but it's just, it didn't happen. But that is, yeah, don't look very great, don't it? But that's exactly like, that's just what fucking happens if you do the challenge, though, you know.